Friends, this is Garna. Garna is a platform where you can receive international payment from your client. So previously, I made my account. Everything was done successfully. The onboarding process was very smooth and successfully I completed my onboarding. But as soon as it was successful, I logged into my account, but I saw that my account was blocked. Immediately I contacted their support team. I informed them everything and I provided my documents. Immediately they took action and my account was resolved and I can use my account properly. But today again I created one more account. As you can check, this is the account, okay? And here the onboarding process was successful. Everything was done very good, no problem. But as soon as I logged in the account, it says identity confirmation. The data you entered differs from the data in the documents. Wait until the verification is complete or contact support. So this is a very big problem, and as I said, the first time I created my own account, I had the problem that my account was blocked due to same issue. And again, this is a new account of my friend, and here I can see that it shows same problem, identity confirmation, okay? So in this video, I will show you how to contact the support team in order to resolve the problem. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I'll just take a screenshot of this. Once I take a screenshot, I will go to ChatGPT and upload the screenshot here, and I'll ask him to write a nice message. Please write me a nice message to the support team of Garna so that the problem that I am facing is resolved, and I will just attach my documents along with it, and Garna will give me one message. I will just copy and paste that, okay? Make it short and copy code. It is giving me a lengthy message. So I just copied this and I will come back to Garna, and you see support. I will click here. Once I click here, the subject is already there. I'll just paste rest of the thing. I will delete all this because they have my information. Okay. And subjects, no problem, that also. I'll just remove that also. So similarly, if you are also facing the issue with Garna, you can just do. And here I have got to add photo or video. I will just add the documents that I have with me. Okay. And now I will just submit it. Here is the submit option. I will submit it. So once the submission is done, I need to wait until they reply to this and the problem that I am facing, that is resolved easily. So I will just wait and see what their feedback is regarding this. So it's been like 40 minutes. I have raised the request regarding the verification of my Garna account. So let's check whether if it has been resolved or not. I have just opened the application and we'll check if the request has been approved by the support team or we need to send some extra. Okay, as you can check, it was here that the verification needs to be done, and now you can check it is not here. That means verification is successful. If we just click here and data does not match, and as we can come here and we'll check that the problem has been resolved. So friends, if you ever face same type of problem with your Garna account, you can just follow the same process and resolve it. Hope you like the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.